Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming dual home on 12.34 acres with incredible potential. This serene property features two homes and stunning natural surroundings, offering comfort and opportunity. The original home of four bedrooms, two and a half bathrooms, one ensuite is in good living condition with upgrades by the owners, featuring cable, internet access, and AC in one bedroom. It has strong rental potential, making it ideal for generating income. The modern home boasts breathtaking views of the Cockpit Country and Duanvale, with three spacious bedrooms, three bathrooms, one ensuite. It includes AC in one bedroom, hot water, and a newly built storage shed with an outdoor flush toilet for workers. The property features 300 plus timber trees, including teak, cedar, and blue mahoe, alongside fruit trees like mango, avocado, jackfruit, banana, and lychee. Many fruits are sold at the market, offering additional income. Both homes sit on well-maintained grounds with vibrant flowers. The sale includes furnishings, appliances, tools, and building materials for future projects. It is perfect as a tranquil residence, a rental investment, or both. This property offers unparalleled versatility and charm. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. All offers considered. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican 95 million or US $603.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.